So as well as buying bread from a machine, you can get hot pizza. I'll put the photo up of all the choices. Basically you choose on the screen which one you want. You come here, you pop your card in, you put your PIN in, and 3 minutes later you get a pizza come out of the pizza oven. So I'll come back to you in a second. He's just preparing us at the minute. As it's in there, you can see the scale. I don't know, it's quite bright as it goes along. Oh, got a little fella join me on my finger there, look. Just jump straight onto me. There we go, mate. And I'll get back to you. Okay, so we're nearly done for our pizza. It's making a funny noise. And look at that. It's just shit out a pizza. Let's have a little look. If you want to do the honours. Oh, that is warm as well. Oh my days, look at that. That looks proper lush. Antonio, look, it's come from a machine that shits pizza.
So James, what's that pizza like?
That is good pizza. That has just come out of a machine in the middle of a town. 3 minutes and that's it. Job done. Perfect. And it is good pizza.